I'm going to show you how to make a cocktail called an XYZ. Start off with your ice, pour that into your glass, and then we're going to add to that 1.5 ounces of light rum. And any sort of light rum will do, so just choose your favorite. There we go. Then we're going to add in 3/4 of an ounce of Cointreau, which is an orange liqueur and a product of France. All right, next we're going to add about 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Here we go. Give it a good squeeze and a half there. Go ahead and shake that up, just like so. And now I'm going to strain this into a cocktail glass. Now, if you like, you can chill your cocktail glass first. Just put a little bit of ice and water into it. And as you're mixing your drink, your glass will chill. And then just dump out the ice and the water, and then you have a nice chilled cocktail glass. Go ahead and strain this in, just like so. And there you have an XYZ. Cheers.